Enter the world of the artisans with Dulux Ambience. In this video, we will show you how to create the quartz effect from the Stonemasons collection. We will need the following Dulux products and the following tools. Always prep the wall with Dulux primer and putty for best results. Allow all the layers to dry before moving to the next step. Apply Dulux Ambience Velvet Touch Marble in Inspiration White by Trowel. Allow paint to dry. Once dry, sand down using the sandpaper 180. Clean the surface with dry cloth. Apply Dulux Ambience Velvet Touch Marble in Cottage Yellow, Inspiration White and Lights Out, wet by Trowel in a 45-degree inclined angle. Allow paint to dry. Once dry, buff using the edge of the trowel. For further color enhancement, apply third coat in a very thin layer with the same 3 Dulux Ambience marble colors, wet by Trowel in the inclined direction. Now we have successfully created the quartz effect from the Stonemasons collection by Dulux Ambience. For more collections, visit duluxambience.com. Personalize your world with the new Dulux Ambience collection.